Yo, finally got my first order. It's been like 15 minutes. Hopefully today's not a repeat of yesterday because I am not in the mood. But we've got a Starbucks, $9 going 5 miles. This should be ready for me when I get there. I'll be surprised if it isn't. Yeah.
Okay, there is this one bag and 2.
Thank you so much. In all caps, it says, "Do not ring the bell, do not knock on the door, just leave by the door, thank you." Okay, damn. It is dead today, but I finally got an order. This is gonna be for Starbucks, $10 and some change, going 2 miles.
All right, there you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just drove by it, but got a voodoo donut, $10 and some change, going 3.5 miles.
Yep.
Thank you.
Best day.
Finally got an order. This one is a McDonald's, $7.75, going 3.5 miles. Excuse me, right behind you. Sorry. Okay, they just messaged me asking why I went to the other McDonald's that's further away when they have one like down the street. Like, first of all, it's not my problem. You chose the wrong location. It's not like I just pick and choose which one to go to. It tells me. Hello. Yeah, there you are. Thank you. Have a good one. Next order came in right away. This one's gonna be for Seize the Bagel. $10 and some change, going just under 4 miles. Oh, gross. We have 3 drinks here. Annoying. Please be ready for me. Oh, there's a lot of people here.
Large drinks, careful, they are a little flimsy.
Gotcha.
For Anna.
Thank you. Holy. You're useless. Well, of course they give me this order after I pass the restaurant. Got a Panda Express order, $10, going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Oh, would you look at that? I need a gate code. Never mind, it's open. Please stay open, 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 please stay open. Okay, we're good.
Head to your pickup at McDonald's.
This one's gonna be $10 and some change, going 4 miles. I feel like I've said that exact same thing like 50 times today. But they're good orders, so who's complaining? Yes, for this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. This one is probably gonna be a mistake because I've got a feeling it's gonna be super busy, but let's give it a shot. Shop and deliver for alcohol, $8.50, going just under 4 miles, only one item. Of course you're leaving as soon as I park. this, I think. Yep. Okay, and then just scribble on that line for me.
There we go.
Good enough for me.
Thank you so much.
All right, well, it's dead again, so I'm just gonna call it here. I don't have the patience for it today. Current time is 11:07. Current total is 83, and I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably like 95-ish. I think I had some pretty decent orders. They were just kind of spaced apart at the beginning of the shift. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.